Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Audiomack on iPhone and Android in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Audiomack app. First, open the Audiomack app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to login screen. On the welcome screen, tap login in or sign in. Step 3. Choose a login method. You can log in using email address and password, Google account, Apple ID. If using email, enter your registered email. Then enter your password, then tap on continue. Step 4. Complete verification if required. Enter the verification code if Audiomack request one. This helps keep your account secure. Step 5. Access your account. Once logged in, you will see the home screen. You can now stream music, download songs and manage playlist. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and follow the steps to reset it. And that's how to log in into Audiomack on iPhone and Android. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.